Thank you very much for your kind introduction. Good afternoon, everyone. It's my great pleasure to be here with you. I'd like to thank first organizer for giving the good opportunity to make this presentation today. Today, my talk is entitled Role of Wuxi AppTec in New Drug Development. I'll introduce what kind of service we provide to our partners and how we contribute to their new drug development. Okay. Here is the agenda. First, I will briefly explain the industry trend, and then I will introduce our company, Wuxi AppTec, and our services. Finally, I'd like to comment on expectation to Japan new drug development. Let's start with the industry trend. As we all know, healthcare industry today faces several challenges in drug discovery, drug development, with a long R&D process of more than 10 years. And R&D costs are getting higher, over the $1 billion. And R&D success rates are very low, at less than 1%. In addition, treatable diseases are currently limited, especially in rare disease. Only 5% of 7,000 diseases have been affordable for treatment. And so, unmet medical needs remain high. This slide shows a trend in global healthcare R&D expenditure, and is categorized by the company size in this way. Overall, R&D expenditure increasing at about 7% annually, but the smaller companies are growing much faster, with R&D cost increasing at more than 10%. It's expected that the number of smaller venture companies is increasing, and their R&D is active, and development pipeline is advancing. Therefore, a small company will continue to grow, and contribution of new drug development will increase. This is the recent numbers of FDA new drug approval. New drug originators are categorized by a company size, like this. The red line indicate the percentage of small biotech or ventures, which actually show the contribution of about 40% over the last few years. Considering the more rapid increase in R&D expenditure, it's expected the contribution of small biotech as a new drug originator will be further increased in the future. Here is an overview of drug discovery ecosystem. As a general flow of new drug developers, target discovery, drug discovery, and drug candidate initial development are mainly carried out in academia and ventures. Then, pharmaceutical company take over the project and mainly promote preclinical study, clinical development, and approval application to deliver new drug to patients. New drug R&D requires not only developers, but also many related parties, which include the government agency and venture capital that provide R&D funds. Regulatory authority that approve development licensing, and medical that conduct clinical trial, CRO, CDMO, which provide specialized R&D and CMC services. And all parties are closely involved in new drug R&D. In addition, the functionally better cycling consisting of human talent, technology and innovation, and R&D fund will emphasize new drug development capability. So we can call this drug discovery ecosystem, and this ecosystem has recently begun to function in Japan as well. The value chain in pharmaceutical development, as shown here. Today's drug discovery is diversifying, and its technology is constantly advancing, making it difficult for one company to do all in-house. That's why academia, ventures, and pharmaceutical company outsource to CRO, CDMO at every step of R&D. Partnering or outsourcing with external professional and innovative companies will enable pharmaceuticals to take advantage of technologies, human talent, and equipment not as available in-house. Streamline R&D and better utilize internal resources. Therefore, CRO, CDMO are indispensable in pharmaceutical development and play important role as a good development partner for developers. Outsourcing can make their R&D more cost-effective and speed up. As you can see, there are many specialized CRO and CDMO at each stage in new drug development. Wuxi AppTec is functioning as a CRDMO, CTDMO that can provide one-stop integrated service from the beginning of R&D to clinical development and manufacturing. This shows the global R&D outsourcing market, and it's categorized the development stages such as discovery, preclinical, and clinical stage, and also CDMO. CDMO are divided to new modality and smaller molecule. In 2020, the market size is $105 billion, and will continue to be growing year by year, with a growth rate of around 10% per year. Among them, new modality CDMO market for cell therapy and gene therapy is growing rapidly. Annual growth rate is currently 35% per year. Therefore, we are paying attention to this new modality area. Let's move on to the introduction of our company, Wuxi AppTec. As a global company with operations across Asia, Europe, North America, Wuxi AppTec provides a broad portfolio of R&D and manufacturing services that enable the global pharmaceutical and healthcare industry to advance discoveries and deliver groundbreaking treatment to patients. Through its unique business model, Wuxi AppTec integrated end-to-end services include chemistry, drug, CRDMO, biology discovery, preclinical testing, and clinical research services, and cell and gene therapy, CTDMO, helping customers improving the productivity of advancing healthcare products through cost-effective and efficient solutions. Our vision, every drug can be made, and every disease can be treated. So building the open access platform is the most comprehensive capability and technologies in the global healthcare industry. Wuxi AppTec is a company founded in 2000 and started from just only 4 people in one single chemistry laboratory. It now has grown into a big global mega company with a global platform in 31 sites worldwide, more than 5,800 customers and partners, and with more than 36,000 employees and more than 34 scientists just for 22 years. Wuxi AppTec is constantly expanding its personnel and facilities with introducing the latest technology to meet the needs of our customers. Currently, we have 31 facilities in 8 sites, including China, United States, and Europe. Wuxi AppTec is a full-service provider of open access capabilities and technologies that enable customers worldwide to advance discoveries in the health science and deliver treatment to those in need. Currently, we have 5 platforms consisting of chemistry, biology, testing, advanced therapy, and China drug discovery. Wuxi Chemistry has a chemistry platform and provides integrated end-to-end chemistry research, development, and commercial manufacturing services. Wuxi Biology has biology discovery unit platform and provides a full spectrum of biology-related services to support drug discovery and development. Wuxi Testing, testing service platform, and provide seamless drug testing and services from preclinical testing to clinical trial. Wuxi ATU. ATU means Advanced Therapy Unit that has a cell and gene therapy CTDMO platform that accelerates and transforms discovery, development, testing, manufacturing, and commercialization of cell and gene therapy. In pharmaceutical R&D, the 5 platforms are arranged in this way, and each of them plays a functional role in an integrated manner. In Wuxi Chemistry, there are 3 units. IDSU is International Discovery Service Unit, responsible for the medicinal chemistry research to identify preclinical candidates and initial process chemistry research. CSU, Chemistry Service Unit, specialized in chemistry, in charge of fee-for-service custom synthesis of customers' specified compound. And as CDMO, STA is in charge of CMC, development and commercial manufacturing of API and pharmaceutical products. Wuxi Biology covers drug discovery, preclinical and clinical stage, and in charge of high-throughput screening in vivo pharmacological evaluations, and ADMET profiling, and collaborate with the chemistry team to select candidate compounds and evaluate prospective clinical effect. Wuxi testing consists of 4 units, such as DMPK, bioanalysis, toxicology, medical device, and clinical CRO and SMO. They are responsible for conducting GLP testing in preclinical stage. And the IND package is prepared. Also, after clinical stage, DMPK and tox unit conduct non-clinical toxicological tests and clinical sample testing. In addition, clinical CRO and SMO unit is managing clinical study and clinical site. Wuxi ATU is an advanced therapy unit that handles cell and gene therapy from the early stage of drug discovery research to develop manufacturing and commercial manufacturing. And evaluation testing, that's guaranteed quality, very important in this area. We call it CTDMO instead of CRDMO. T means testing. Let's take a closer look. Wuxi Chemistry is a comprehensive CRDMO platform meeting any material requirement throughout the entire new drug development process, capable at any scale and covering all categories for all synthetic molecular modality. Wuxi Chemistry possesses advanced expertise and capabilities in library synthesis, medicinal chemistry, synthetic chemistry, process chemistry, and API manufacturing, and can handle all modality, including these new molecules. This is the track record of Wuxi Chemistry pipeline in 2021. We synthesized 310,000 compounds in 1 year at the drug discovery stage. As a result, 732 compounds became a new modality entity, new molecular entity. 691 remained on successful basis. And resulting there are 1,318 compounds at this stage. Similarly, 39 was added to phase 2, resulting 257, 49 to phase 3, and last year, 14 compounds are approved as new drugs, and there are currently 42 compounds in commercial production. Wuxi Biology offers full spectrum of biology services and solutions, supporting standalone and integrated projects from target discovery to candidate selection and into the clinic, especially including the discovery biology enabling platform, expertise in all major disease areas and target classes, global leader in DNA encoded library screening and clinical biomarker services. Wuxi Biology is actively expanding our capability in new modality, especially regarding oligo platform, cancer vaccine, PROTAC, cell and gene therapy, vector platform, new drug discovery, and new drug delivery vehicle. These modality R&D is growing at 74% annually. Wuxi testing, integrated testing platform across the full life cycle of discovery and development to deliver innovative medicine. medical devices and combination drug products to patients. It's a function to prepare IND package and proceed to IND. Also, she testing of a comprehensive solution for products including pharmaceutical, biologics, medical devices, and IVD from bioequivalence and phase 1 to phase 4 clinical development services. Wuxi ATU is a new modality CTDMO. And as a future of this modality, especially having the platform and capabilities regarding AAV, range, virus, vector, CAR-T, TIL, MIL, MSC, and so on, it's a cell therapy technology. Also, manufacturing that guarantee high quality is more important. And we have strengths in quality testing ability. Here is Wuxi ATU growing pipeline. As you can see, currently 74 projects are ongoing in development stage. 4 projects are in BLA preparation stage now. About IP protection, our purpose in business to enable innovation for global partners. Therefore, IP is our shared lifeline. We guided Wuxi AppTec with our founding principle of integrity, world-class security, zero tolerance policies, and relentless pursuit of justice against any criminal act. This is our highest priority, and we must hold ourselves accountable. Data security and privacy protection are among our highest priorities. Since our founding, Wuxi AppTec has maintained a strong track record of data privacy based on rigorous security processes. Everything we discover, develop, and deliver to our customers is secure, separated, and protected. As for quality assurance, our CMC platform, CTDMO to supply API, GLP toxicological laboratories, GLP GCP bioanalytical laboratory, and cell and gene therapy CTDMO has passed inspection from FDA, EMA, PMDA, and so on. And our services and facilities are adhering to the highest global regulatory standards. Here are some successful examples of how we worked with our partners on new drug development. As you can see, hepatitis C virus inhibitor, IDH2 inhibitor, BTK inhibitors for cancer treatment. Wuxi AppTec customers have provided about 2/3 of new drug approvals by the US FDA over the past 5 years. We are fighting disease with our partner by enabling high-quality medicine faster. This is most recently case study for the COVID-19 project. In this case, the project started in March 2020, contributing the rapid development and evaluation of the assay system, supporting SAR research, and achieved IND in just 6 months from the start. In addition, Wuxi AppTec continues to be in charge of API manufacturing and supply at STA. And this project was able to move to phase 3 in just 9 months from IND. This is a development example of extremely exceptional speed and manufacturing scale-up. Here is representative customers' logos. Our services are trusted by over 5,800 customers and partners in global. Wuxi AppTec is a contributor to the global healthcare community. We have held many healthcare forums and webinars to global healthcare community. About Wuxi AppTec Japan, at the end of last year, Wuxi AppTec Japan, our first Japanese branch, was established in Kyoto Research Park here. And from this April, we have set up office and started our business activity. So we start our client in Japan and develop new Japan business. Finally, let me summarize the role of Wuxi AppTec in new drug development. Wuxi AppTec is a global service provider and end-to-end CRDMO, CTDMO in new drug R&D. Have proven experience and track records trusted by all R&D developers. Expanding capability all time, talent, facility, and new technology. Our services are faster, more reliable, and more cost-effective, provide high-quality data anytime. We emphasize on the project management, especially pay attention to the timeline and the result, and provide flexible support according to the customer needs. This is our expectation to Japan new drug development. First, creating innovative new drug from Japan, connecting worldwide basic research to new drug development, growth of new startup venture with excellent speed, achieve and technology, revitalization and further development of drug discovery ecosystem. So we'd like to contribute to improving the productivity of new drug R&D in Japan through our services. Thank you for your kind attention.
Thank you very much, Dr. Ito, for the wonderful presentation.